Good day, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Leia Balasa Villanueva. I am 25 years old. I live in Tacas, Pontevedra, Capiz, Philippines. I have a live-in partner. He is a security guard. We have two kids, both girls, ages 5 years old and 3 years old. I only have my mother because my father is already deceased. I have 4 brothers and 1 sister. I am the 6th child of the family. I am a senior high school graduate, but unfortunately, I can't pursue my college because of financial problem.
Okay, and are you the one taking care of your children since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and who will take care of them if you work abroad?
My mother and my sister, ma'am.
Do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me about your work experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines.
I only work here in the Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, a couple, their 2 years old daughter, and an elder. I do cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry, and marketing. But my main duty is to take care of the baby.
Okay, and how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am loving, caring, responsible, and hardworking person. I can work under pressure, can manage my time, and most of all, I am a happy person.
How would you describe your previous employer?
They are kind and good to me, ma'am.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so it means you are the only one taking care of the 2 kids and doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide my family needs and to save money for the education of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
I will check if the baby is hungry, ma'am. I will feed him and I will check the diaper if it is wet. I will change the diaper and then I will check the temperature if the baby is not feeling well.
Okay, so then what will you do if the baby is not feeling well or the baby is sick? What will you do?
I will tell to my employer, ma'am, that the baby is not feeling well.
Okay, so what will you do if the children are naughty or not listening to you?
I will be patient.
Okay, so of course you have to be more patient because they are kids. So can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give an example.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you like to work with employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I will just focus to my work.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you have full consent of your live-in partner or your family to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employer.
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good morning. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will do all my best to serve your family. I will finish my contract and extend if needed. You have the assurance that I am trustworthy and honest person. I am also hardworking. I can work with less supervision. I promise to be respectful to you at all times. Thank you, ma'am, sir. God bless.
Okay, so could you promise also to love the children of your employer like your own children?
Yes, ma'am.
And to serve their family with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.